The MBTA will halt all train service on the Green Line D branch through Brookline and Newton during two separate 9-day stretches in June to expedite track and signal replacement work. Newton News correspondent Adam Bass has the details.
It's time to work on the railroad. The Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority is beginning its repairs of the Green Line's D branch, which runs from Riverside in Newton to Fenway in Boston. The goal is to replace 25,000 feet of track and 6.5 miles of signals along the branch line, as part of the Green Line transformation investment.
We're talking about around 78 millions, right? We're talking about signal elements that hasn't been replaced since the 1950s. We're talking about many speed restrictions that right now our customers are experiencing, that by doing this track renewal, we will be able to uplift this slow zones, and then we'll be able to have a faster and smoother ride.
Construction will be focused on the line between Riverside Station and Beaconsfield Station in Brookline. Starting Saturday, June 12th, trains will not be in service. Instead, the MBTA will provide riders with shuttle buses between Riverside and Kenmore.
We're going to be providing a free shuttle bus express that is going to be going from Riverside to Copley Square. So customers have two alternatives. But one thing that we MBTA we do all the time in these diversions is that we monitor our capacity and monitor our ridership to make sure that we're able to bring more busing if it's needed.
The repairs will be in two 9-day phases. The first starting from June 12th to June 20th, and then from June 24th through July 2nd. Despite the disruption to the schedule, MBTA representatives say that the wait is worth it.
I think it's an excellent opportunity to finally address the backlog of maintenance that we have at the MBTA. Like our chief said, a lot of the track that we're trying to replace is more than 30 years old. And so these are just much needed improvements that need to be delivered to both, the city of Boston, town of Brookline, and city of Newton.